Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing Visual Studio again. Yep. So we're gonna be doing Turtle. Yeah. It's if you don't know what Turtle is, I think I've taught it in Scratch. Yeah, it's a thing in Scratch. It's like where you draw. Yeah, it's like drawing in code. Yeah. So yeah. It's in Scratch. I don't know if I have teach it in Scratch or not. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot. Yeah. So let's get started. We're gonna first do import turtle. Import. Oh no, it's not in. It's import turtle. Turtle. Mm-hmm. So yeah. And then we're gonna be doing turtle.screen. Dot screen. Dot screen. Now you need a capital letter in these, otherwise the whole code will go boomed. Yeah, it's gonna give an error, and then yeah, it's gonna be boomed, and it's not gonna become good. So yeah, that's what is going to happen. So yeah, now we're going to put and Alright, we're gonna be putting in empty brackets. I forgot what it was called for a second. I was like, wait, what it was? And then wait, what? And I was like, oh, it's empty brackets. Empty brackets, and then dot bg color. Now, orange. Why am I calling it orange? Turtle.screen. Yeah, you need a capital letter on screen, otherwise the code will go boomed. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, it helps out a ton. And yeah, do it. And share this to all your friends so they can also watch and also subscribe. Yeah, someone says subscribe. And also turn on notifications. Yeah. So you can see my other videos when I upload them. Yeah. So let's get back to the code. Turtle.screen. Now we're gonna be doing turtle. No, that's bad. No, what's going on? Turtle dot screen. Dot screen. Why did I say it in that voice? Let's get to code. And then we're gonna be doing an empty bracket. And then that's it. Empty bracket and then dot setup. Wow. 300, comma 400. Oh, that's 4,000. Need 400. Let's go. Polygon equals turtle. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a polygon. Polygon. Equals turtle equals to turtle turtle. I feel like this is how turtle should be spelled. But they decided to put me. Now it looks like it's turtle me. Like what? Now you need a capital T. Check this out. More turtle. Yeah. Empty bracket again. Yeah. More empty brackets. So far I had 3 empty brackets. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Well, it's definitely a good thing. Num underscore side equals 6. Num underscore sides equals 6. 6. Oh, side underscore length equals 17. Side underscore length my song. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. It's on Spotify. Okay, just kidding. It's not Spotify. Okay. My hand. Angle equals 60.0. Angle equals to 360.0. I'm just putting an E in front of everything. Slash num underscore side. This. Slash no. Num underscore side this. Side this. Yeah, with an E. Why do I have capitals that are on? Yeah. And for I in range. For no. I in range. No, that's wrong. I don't think I should be writing that. Oh yeah, I should be writing it. No. Num underscore sides. La 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 la. Down, 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 down. Why am I doing this sound? We're soon done. Gone dot forward bracket side length bracket side length underscore length polygon dot right angle polygon dot forward is an error. Polygon. There is no. I just gotta use backspace. Oh, I just polygon. That's right angle. Right angle. Yeah, that's angle. Then with the with one space, I don't even think we need turtle. No. Turtle. Dot. Done. With an empty bracket. One empty bracket. Yeah, now it's done. That's. Oh, my god. What's this? What's going on? It's not supposed to be like this. Let me see what's wrong with Mako.